It's my pleasure to welcome you here to the dedication of the Mark Hughes Cellular and Molecular Nutrition Laboratory.
The donation that we are receiving for the Hughes Laboratory and the equipment that's associated with this gift is going to permit Dr. Heber and his colleagues to fingerprint all of these compounds and to really define them both chemically and biologically.
Over 2 decades ago, the world was blessed by a visionary, and that person was Mark Hughes. He was a man way before his time, and the battles he had to fight were incredible. He had to fight social practices, the Congress, the FDA, the scientific world, but he went ahead and fought the battle, and many of you folks out there were with him almost from the start, and you know it better than anyone what those battles were. And his perseverance really led to something great. It led to changing the wellness, the nutritional habits of anyone that touched the herbal family. He really was a remarkable genius that has blessed a family of people in this Herbalife family.
When he started the Herbalife business, the message he gave at his very first business meeting was one of taking good nutrition round the world. This message was constant throughout the whole of the 20 years, and in fact the last business meeting that Mark had, it was the same message. For those of us in the room tonight on the supply side of the business, like myself, this message of Mark meant constant searching for the best ingredients, the best products, and the best technology. So I think it's entirely appropriate and fitting that an alliance between Herbalife, UCLA, and the memory of Mark Hughes was made.
David is the head of the Scientific Advisory Board, and he will be representing all of the great scientists that we have around the world who will be working with us.
It's with great pleasure that we dedicate the Mark Hughes Cellular and Molecular Nutrition Laboratory.
Now do it?
Do it.
Together?
Go ahead, Alex.
1, 2, 3. Go! Yeah. And Dean Levy came by this morning, and he's going to be here at 7. Oh, good.
What we're designed to do here is we have several state-of-the-art instruments, including HPLCs, which are high-performance or high-pressure liquid chromatography instruments. Other instruments include LC-MS, which is a short for liquid chromatography mass spectral instruments. Basically what these instruments do though is that we are now equipped to take various extracts from fruits, vegetables, or other herbs, dietary supplements for example, take these extracts and then actually dissect and cross-section them into a stage where we can actually identify active ingredients or a combination of active ingredients for fighting various ailments.
This is an incredible event for distributors because it really validates what Mark believed in from before 1980 and starting this company. He knew that nutrition and herbs blended together, the modern science with the ancient wisdom of herbs, could really make a difference in people's lives.
This is just another level of validation because we've proven it with 40 million customers now, for 23 years in 50 plus countries and billions of dollars, but now we have the scientific world behind us too, so it just validates Mark Hughes and his dream and the dream of Herbalife, and what does it mean to the future? There's going to be another super after rocket to push the business way faster, so truly $3, $5, $10 billion is right there on the horizon.
I think this is a great step up from 251 South Robertson in Beverly Hills.